Converting Denary to hex is quite a simple process, but it can easily become complicated and very easy to make mistakes. Again, like all of the binary topics we've worked on, it's really important just to practice it until you really understand it. So let's just pick a very high number. Let's go for 57,328, just completely random. So the process that we've got to do is divide that by 16, and I'm going to be noting the results here as well as the remainder, and they're both equally important. So start off, 57,328 divided by 16 gives us 3,583 with 0 remainder, which is fine, don't worry about that. We keep going until the result's 0, or basically until it's under 0, or under 16 rather. So we start again with that result, 3,583, which we divide by 16, and we get 223 as a result. Now we've got to work out what the remainder is for that, which is 15. And then we repeat that process again, where we have 223 divided by 16 to give us 13, and the remainder of 15 this time again, and start off with 13 divided by 16, so we're going to have 0, and it's all going to be remainder 13 this time. Then what we do is we take this in reverse order for what we've got here and work out what the hexadecimal values are of those denary values there. So hopefully you can remember A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So in reverse order then from what we found, then we take 13 first, which is D. Then we have a 15, which is F, another 15, which is F, and a 0, which is just 0, to work out the hexadecimal equivalent of that denary value there. Let's try another one. We'll go for 32,381. So again, noting the result, so 32,381 divided by 16 gives us 2,023, and working out a remainder of 13. Repeat the process, so we start with 2,023 divided by 16 to give us 126. Now, if you're using the same calculator as I am, what I do is I subtract the whole number from it to leave me with the decimal, which I then times by 16 to work out the remainder. There'll be better math teachers than me who could tell you a better way to do it, but that's just how I do it. So I keep the process going, 126 this time, divided by 16, and I get 7.875 in my calculator. You can note that if you want, but we want to ignore the decimal here obviously and do that times by 16 to work out a remainder, which is 14. 14 divided by 16 is going to be all decimals, so there's nothing left there, and we would just have 14 as our final digit. And again, same as last time, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F 15. So we have E, 7, followed by D. These just require practice, and the best way to check your work is to find an online calculator. There's plenty of them, and there'll be lots of other questions you can find online to practice them too.